today I'm going to tell you that how you can customize Assistive Touch to perform an action when you double tap the button. Here's how. Open your setting and go to General. Now tap on Accessibility. Go down and tap on Assistive Touch. Allow the Assistive Touch. Now you can see the Assistive Touch button has appeared. Now tap on Double Tap and let's try few actions from this list. Now tap on Home. Double tap on Assistive Touch and it will move to your home. Now go back again. Now tap on Control Center and double tap again. Double tap again. Now tap on App Switcher and double tap again. Now you can see how this works. Double tap again. You can use any action from this list to get the help from the Assistive Touch. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.